All right, we got a new unused Landhero skid steer loader. Got the auxiliary connections on there for attachments. LED lights, gas powered, 23 horse, the high tracks. I got a picture of all the description, all the specifics on it. Just wanted to do a quick video, a little walk around. I'll fire it up, and then you can come check it out on our preview day, which is Friday before the sale, the day before the sale, from 9 to 4. All right, little choke. There you have it. We'll see you on preview day. Thanks for watching.